Hiya. Anybody got one of these? The old flange tool, and you can cut holes for plug welding. That doesn't work. Here's a little video that I've done a little while back, forgot to upload it. How to fix it. If you like what you see, do the old like and subscribe bit, that'd be great. See you later. Thanks, bye. Hands up those who have bought one of these and it doesn't work very well. Why? Because we lose fluid. They are prone to leaking, and all we've got to do is undo this Allen key, which is the plug, top it up with some transmission fluid or hydraulic oil. I use ATF, it's fine. Top it up and then tease the bubbles out, work it a few times, top it up again, tease the bubbles out with a bit of an Allen key or something, do it up until it's completely full, and then put the bung back and you should be working again. So as you can see, we've got a bit of oil where it's been leaking. I tend to stand it up on its end like that. It helps to keep the fluid in. Laying it down, we tend to get this leaking. So I'm just going to go and top it up and see if we can get it working again. These seals aren't very good either. There's little O-rings on here, not the best in the world. There we go, take that out. Quick look inside, I can see it's empty, you can't, I can. So I just use these little syringes. And I just pour it in very slowly, not go mad. So that it starts to come out. And you prod it with something, ideally a thin Allen key or similar. I'm going to try that. Got an Allen key there. And just poke that down a few times. Just want to try and get the air bubbles to come out. Pop that back in, work it a few times, and just repeat the process until all the oil's out. Sorry, the air's out, not the oil. Oil in. Let's give it a nip up. Connect up. Just work it a few times. So this is the oil bit, and this is the air bit down here. So very rarely anything goes wrong with the air side of it. Just always leaking out of here. Work it a few times, and I'm just going to repeat the process. Let's see if we can find some air bubbles. Taking that oil that I put in, and it can take some more. Yeah, taking all that. Might have to do it again. Again, just stamp it up and down. Encourage the air bubbles to come out. It's gone down actually. Well, thirsty old girl. That's about all we've got, I think. So, Got more. It's not looking too bad. We're going to try that again. We'll just cycle it again like we did earlier. It's a bit of fiddling around, but at least it gets it back working again, and we don't have to take it back to the shop and it don't work. Okay, there we are. See the joggler at this end, and this is the hole punch this end, so we're going to try it in a minute. If we can punch a hole, then we fixed it. Okay, last little check just to see where we are. A little bit of metal there. There you go. One hole, back working. Woohoo! Nice one. So that's all it is to get it working again. Just keep putting it in there till the bubbles come out, top it up, bubbles come out, top it up. Job's a good one. And again, store it like that. That helps a little bit. So with that working again, we can do some holes. I think the bit of steel that I'm trying to go into might be a bit thick, but we'll give it a go. And that's all there is to it. This one branded under Nielsen. I did email them once and said it wasn't performing very well. If anything that's known, did not get an email back at all. I've only gone watching a few bits on YouTube and realising what it was all about. So we're all good. So you can joggle, should be able to joggle as well. Get that in there. Probably can't see it very well, it's got a nice little joggle in there. So that seems to be working alright. Okay. Have a good day.